Well, here we are again. Mini Max 1030R build with me, Scott. While you were gone, I did some varnishing. Varnished in here, varnished in there. And I didn't do the sides yet. I'm trying not to varnish anywhere I think I might glue. And then I haven't glued anything in a while, and I got 2 cross members to go in. I don't want to put this one in yet because I got a gas tank going in here and it might not be the exact size or something, so I'm not putting that in. But I went ahead and put this one in. It was supposed to be a piece of RS6. But actually, my last piece, I cut it. And then when I sanded it, it was a little too short. It had some play in it, and I don't like play in it. So, you know, I like a tight fit. So I glued in. I just really had the need to glue something. I haven't glued anything in 3-4 days, so I glued this in yesterday. And I also came down here and laid out the rudder, vertical stabilizer, and the rudder. And so we're going to work on that. We're going to prefab some pieces. Yesterday I went ahead and wet down. This is the leading edge of the vertical stabilizer, a little real thin plywood. And I wet it and stuck it in a mold. And so it's going to be ready to put on. But this is what we're going to be looking at. So what we're going to do today is build this spar, front spar, and rear spar. Now this is some small stuff right here now. Very small stuff. Let's start out by seeing how far this is here. So this is what we're going to do right here. We're going to build this nose cap. It has a piece of RS532 plywood right here, and 2 RS1s, which is just thin 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch board. Let's see, it's going to go right here. It's not even long enough. Let's see. Butt joint right there. Okay. There's going to be a butt joint I marked in here where these horizontal members go. So see, we need a butt joint. Right above this. So I'm going to say right in there. See how long. This is approximately inch. Say 1 5/8. So about 1 5/8 off that line. Yep. The curved part will go right here. This is the leading edge nose. You're upside down looking at it right now. All right, so you're gonna cut this here. And put me another piece up there. All right, let me get another piece of 532. Okay. And we're just going to make it right here. that one right there. I think I'll cut them with my new little saw. Instead of turning that noisy bandsaw on. Tell you what, we had another beautiful day here, southeastern Virginia. I hope y'all had a good day. All right. See how straight this is. Sand that just a touch. This stuff is really thin, but it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5 plies. It's not even a 1/16 inch thick. 5 plies. All right. This one here. This scrap piece here. All right. So I'm going to glue 2 of these on here. Go grab another one of these. And this ends up making the C-channel. Now I need 2 of these, one with this and one with a little thicker board. We'll do this one first. And any manufacturing release tape you see off here. Then I get a board in the back, might as well do it here too. All right. Okay. Switching over, we're going to use the 1/4 inch staples on this. Oh yeah, I'm going to start keeping this only stuff stick. It's probably 70 degrees here now. I'm going to need to start keeping it in a warmer spot. I wonder how much I need. Epoxy smells like crab parts. All right. So small, I end up getting stuff everywhere. I want on my layout. Just happen to have some slightly pre-owned wax paper here. Oh, yeah. And I don't have big teeth. Okay, go something like that. We'll get the other piece on there in a minute. Get it epoxied up first. Go here. This one goes right here on this side. Bam, like that. Okay. I'm just going to put that over. Try to staple this up. Let me see how this works. It's going to be tricky. It's pretty slippery. All right, so C-channel is going to go right here. I have to trim it just a little bit. All right, and this actually, you can't see it, but the curved part goes right inside this. It looks good. It looks good. All right, so I'm going to put this. All right, so there's one spar. It's the front spar for the rudder right there. Front spar for the rudder. All right, rear spar is something like it, but it gets a little thicker stiffeners. It gets these RS5 stiffeners instead of those little 1-bys. Let's see here. Plenty long. All right, I need some more of those 532 pieces of plywood. All right. Once again, I'll cut them with my little knife right here. Let me see here. All right, look at inside. I'm gonna lay it over here. I'll put some Yeah. So, took me that long to make the outer and inner spar, and they still got to be cut different angles and stuff. I got to make the little pieces that little half round pieces that go in the front of the nose of the leading edge of the vertical stabilizer and the horizontal stabilizer. So that's probably what I do next, is get those little pieces in. I can put these spars on the board here and then start placing these intermediate diagonals, which get notched into these little areas, so it's going to be tricky. But that's going to be the last thing I can do for a couple of days. Y'all stand by. Don't get too crazy on me. When I come back in the next week, we're going to finish this part. We'll move on to a horizontal stabilizer. Hopefully some parts will start getting here. And I'm waiting on wing parts. We'll do as much as we can, all but the wings. But it's coming around. Sometimes it looks like it's going to take forever, and next thing you know, it looks like it's coming around pretty quick. But thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying it. I hope this sparks some kind of something inside of you, makes you want to go build something or do something or be adventurous. You're never too old to do that. You can tell by my white hair here. But thanks for all tuning in, guys. I'll see you later.